Hello, Namaste, and welcome to Divine Path Tarot. Today I am going to do a general love reading for the sign Leo. Leo people, please keep in mind that these are general readings, so it may or may not resonate with each one of you. So please take what resonates with you and ignore the rest. Okay. So Leo, first of all, I am going to check your current energy and your partner's current energy, and then we'll proceed with your readings. So we have got Temperance. Leo, I feel that you are working towards your mental peace. You are just bringing balance into your heart and mind. Okay, perhaps you are into some kind of a spiritual journey in your life. Okay. Angels have your back. That is for sure. Okay, angels have your back, and you are being somebody who is, completely devoted towards your own spiritual growth, towards your own life path, towards your own life purpose. Seems like you just want to discover what is your main aim in this world. Okay, you are being I feel that you are into some kind of a spiritual journey, and as I can see, the sun is rising. So yes, some clarity is coming into your life. Some sort of clarity is coming into your life, and that thing is going to give you a clear vision. What is there for you in this life? What is there for you? Why you are here? What is your main purpose? So Leo, this is your current energy, and this is your partner's current energy. 9 of Pentacles. Leo, your person is being very independent right now. Okay, they have this energy within them that, hey, I am good enough in my own skin. Okay, I don't need anybody else. I have everything in life, be it in terms of financial things, be it in terms of family, friends, loved ones, be in terms of pets or kids or home or abundance or prosperity or material things. They feel they are enjoying their time. Okay, they are being very, very independent right now. Okay, if they were not in past, now they are trying to get that independent feel of independence within themselves. But somewhere deep down in their heart, they are kind of very sad. Excuse me. They are somebody who is posing that, hey, I'm very capable, I'm very independent, I don't need anyone. But when it comes to their true emotions, they are feeling lost, they are feeling heartbroken, they feel sad, they feel worried, they feel anxious. Okay, they feel, oh my god, how will I survive in this world? Oh my god, what will happen with me? Oh my god, this, oh my god, that. Okay, so they are posing themselves as, okay, as if I don't care anybody for anything or anyone, but deep down in their heart they are scared. All right, now let's see Leo, what you think about them and how you see them, and what they think about you and how they see you. Death card. Page of Pentacles. So you see them as somebody who has been through some kind of a transformation in their life. Okay, you have, perhaps this person is your friend, so you are seeing them as, okay, XYZ thing has happened with them. Okay, they have been through some tough time in life. Okay, now you know that phase has been over now. Okay, so you see them as somebody who has, even though they have they have been through a lot in life, but you see them as somebody who, for you, they are going to get some new beginning in their life. Okay, sun is also rising for them as well. So you feel that, okay, wow, that's great that they have transformed. Okay, and wow, that's great that they are going to get new opportunities in life. Okay, so somewhere you feel very happy for them. All right. On the other hand, Leo, we have Page of Pentacles. Your person sees you as somebody who is very, very energetic, who is very calm, who is very ambitious, who is very determined towards their own life, towards their own happiness, towards their own success, towards their own career, finances, goals. Okay, they see you as somebody who has immense opportunity in front of them. Okay, they feel, sometimes they feel that you are kind of very blessed, that you have a lot of opportunities in your life. Okay, they feel that wow, this person has such a huge vision, such a big vision towards life. Okay, so sometimes they feel like, oh my god, this person is so great. Okay. Now let's see what action you guys are taking towards each other. No action, no action, no action. Leo, you are not taking any action towards them with this Page of Swords in reverse. That's what I'm thinking. Okay. You think that this person needs their own time to heal. You feel that this person needs to, realign their life one more time, and if I help them at this point of time, they won't be able to, cope up with this new challenge. Okay, so you have not, you have decided not to take any steps towards them. All right, so that's why you are not taking any action towards them. On the other hand, when it comes to this person, we have the Moon. I feel that this person wants to take certain action towards you, but since they have been through a lot in their life, they are feeling, oh, it's okay, I should, they really want to take certain action towards you, but they are hiding their emotions, they are hiding their feeling. Perhaps their fear is like so big for them that they don't want to, get they don't want to take any other chance in life. Okay, so perhaps they feel that, okay, no, this is not the right time, or I should wait for some more time, or I should see what life is offering me, before proceeding or before confirming anything to you. All right, so that's why they are not taking any action towards you. Now let's see what do you feel in this relationship, or how you feel in this relationship, and how they feel in this relationship. How you feel in this relationship and how they feel in this relationship. Leo, you really want to excuse me, you really want to move ahead towards them. You feel that, oh my god, you feel a strong urge to move ahead towards this person, but the thing is that you don't want to, create any mess in their life. So you are just, taking small steps towards them. You have all the happiness in your heart, and you really want to give them a very good time of their life. So you have that thing with you, but the thing is that you are taking your own time to come forward, even though you want to, do it like very fast, very quickly, but somewhere you are holding back your emotions. Somewhere you feel that, okay, this is not the right time for me to, just jump into their life, that hey, I'm here, okay, I'm always there to support you. You are giving them their own time, okay, so that they can heal themselves, so that they can, understand what is happening around them. All right. All right. We have Ten of Pentacles. Your person feels in this relationship sense of completeness. Okay, whenever you are around, they feel happy. Okay, perhaps they are not sure about their feelings, or perhaps they are. I don't know, whatever the case it is, they are hiding their emotions from you, Leo. And with this 10 of Pentacles card, they feel happy with you. They want to have a family with you. They want to have kids with you. They want to build a home with you. They want to build this relationship with you. But the thing is that they are completely confused right now. Okay, why am I feeling this for Leo, or why am I feeling this certain emotion for my this friend? Okay, some seems like they are considering you as a friend only. Okay, if you guys are friends to each other. Now let's see what is the mutual energy between you and them. Oh, that's so sad. That's so sad. We have 9 of swords and 4 of swords. Both of you are going through some anxious time. I think it's your person, Leo. It's not you. It's your person who feels scared, who feel anxious, who feel worried, who's unable to sleep in nights, who feel fearful. Okay, they are like completely scared of certain things, and rather than doing something to make their life better, they are choosing to sleep. They are choosing to ignore this situation. Okay, they are just ignoring their feelings towards you, and that thing is making them really sick and tired, because they are confused. What should they do? What action should be taken by them? All right, now let's see what future is holding for both of you. So we have Knight of Wands. Okay, Leo, I think it's you. You have this wand in your hand. You have this horse with you. You are energetic. You are passionate. You are somebody who wants to take a solid action towards them. But you are also holding back your emotions, because your person is not sure about their feelings. And I feel that in future also they won't be able to comprehend what they are going through in life, and what place you have in their life. Okay, perhaps in future also they'll be considering you as their friend. But you are doing the correct thing. You are giving them their own time to heal. Okay, and even though you can take action, but you are not doing it, and that's very good. Now let's see how angels are supporting you, or what angels are telling you. Angel guidance for you. Angel guidance for you people, please. Within the next few weeks, seems like angel are planning something new towards you and towards this person. So perhaps you are going to see some changes within the next few weeks. You never know. Perhaps they'll come towards you and confront their emotions. Nobody knows. But you need to be very, very positive in life. Okay, and give them their time to heal. Give them their time to understand the things. Okay. So Leo, I feel that some of you could be dealing with Sagittarius with this Temperance card. Okay, Scorpio with this Death card. We have Pisces in this reading with this Moon card. Some of you could be dealing with another fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius with this Knight of Wands. And yes, and some of you could be dealing with air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius with this 9 of Swords, 4 of Swords, Knight of Swords, 7 of Swords. Oh, so many swords we have. Okay, and Page of Swords in reverse. Yes, and some of you could be dealing with the Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn with this 9 of Pentacles, 10 of Pentacles, Page of Pentacles. Yes. Okay, so Leo people, that was your reading. If any of the part of this reading is resonating with you, please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. God bless you. Bye bye.